Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physiology effectively. Start by focusing on the big picture, understanding the why behind physiological processes. Don't just memorize facts, actively engage with the material. For example, after reading a section, try to explain it aloud in your own words. This active recall is far more powerful than passive rereading, helping you retain about 70% more information. Visual aids are incredibly helpful for grasping complex physiological systems. Drawing out pathways like the cardiac cycle or renal filtration can solidify your understanding. Try using different colors to highlight key components or steps. Concept mapping, where you link ideas visually, helps you see the interconnectedness of the body's functions, making retention much easier and more intuitive. Applying your knowledge is crucial for deep learning in physiology. Don't just learn the facts, understand how they function in real-world scenarios. Engage with clinical case studies to see how physiological principles manifest in health and disease. Regularly solving practice questions, perhaps 10 to 15 per study session, will reinforce your learning and prepare you for assessments, building confidence in your understanding. Consistent review is the cornerstone of effective physiology study. Spaced repetition, where you revisit material at increasing intervals, is scientifically proven to boost long-term memory. Even short, focused review sessions, perhaps 15 minutes each day, can make a significant difference. A powerful technique is to teach the material to a friend or study partner. Explaining concepts aloud helps solidify your own understanding by about 90%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.